Today's the first day using the Starmix. It's absolutely brilliant. We've used other sort of hoovers like a Henry and other dust extractors, and none of them have really worked until we got this one, this Starmix, and it captures probably 99% of the dust, including the harmful dust, which is a lot finer. Being a Class M, it is a lot higher quality and catches a lot more dust. The Starmix cleans its own filters, so you don't have to climb down the ladders and clean them yourself by banging them out or blowing them out of an air compressor. It shakes them when it needs to, and it also turns on when you use your tool. You plug it into the Starmix, and when you turn the tool on, the Starmix will turn on with it. I definitely recommend the Starmix to other builders in this trade.